Hello, welcome to Juniper Level Botanic Garden, the home of Plant Delights Nursery. This is a gorgeous new hybrid Aruncus, Aruncus Misty Lace. I have to think that one of its parents is Aruncus sylvestris, which is a gorgeous thing and gets really big in a cooler summer area than here. The Aruncus sylvestris can get 5 feet tall or so. But this is a much more compact variety. It's about 2 feet tall in bloom. We're getting it a little bit late in its bloom period. This one is still all fresh, sort of a creamy white color. Those other ones are turning brown. But it's in bloom for 6 weeks or so. The spent flower heads are attractive in their brown stage. We don't feel a need to cut them off quickly. This is a location where it has shade for first half of the day and then sun later on in the afternoon. This is an unirrigated part of the garden. We only water it when it's exceptionally dry, but actually, our amount of rainfall this winter and spring has been way low, so it's putting on a really good show considering that. And I want to point out this gorgeous Liriope. You might think you know all that you need to know about Liriope, but this is a species that maybe you haven't seen. This is Liriope gracilis or gracilis. And it has this very fine, narrow foliage. You can see it's a clump former. The dust that you might see is just the dust from the gravel road just beyond this bed. But I would grow this just for the beautiful green textured leaves. Beautiful contrast in shape and texture to the Aruncus. And also its next door neighbor, Stokesia laevis, that is not yet in bloom but is handsome in bud. Both the Aruncus and the Liriope could be grown in a shade garden, a bright shade garden, but here with half-day sun it's really happy. Thank you for your time today, and I hope to see you again in the garden.